Yeah, I couldn't help myself. I just had to do it. I had to do it. I don't know. It's just I've been buying Blackmagic cameras ever since Philip Bloom did a review on the Blackmagic cinema camera 2.5K. That was like, I swear, like 6 or 7 years ago. Anyways, I think at that time they only came in like an MFT mount. The EF mount wasn't out yet. From that to the Blackmagic cinema camera 4K or the production camera 4K, which I still have right here, and also the Blackmagic original pocket camera, Blackmagic Earth Mini pocket camera 4K, and now the Blackmagic pocket cinema camera 6K. So why did I buy this camera? Well, besides it being 6K RAW for $2,500, and the image of it looks phenomenal. I've already seen a lot of the YouTube videos out there of the people that have been doing test footage. Why not? I mean, it's just a freaking beast for $2,500. I just recently sold my Canon 1DX Mark II. I know. But it's not even being used. The only time I would ever use it was if I was doing a YouTube video. I wouldn't take it any more of my shoots. I would always take my Pocket 4K or my Ursa Mini. But I would never use, even when I was taking photos with my girl for photo shoots, I would take my A7 III. So anyways, I'm going to show you some test footage of my own. In the future videos, of course, you're going to see the 4K against the 6K, but also compare it with my A7 III, just the variety of cameras that I have. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see with comparisons for these cameras. But for the most part, you're going to see kind of like what you've been seeing around YouTube. It's just like testing the camera out, low light, testing out the slow motion. This is a very exciting camera. It's disrupting the industry right now. You can purchase a 6K RAW camera that has phenomenal quality for $2,500. Are you kidding me? Anyways, let me open this baby up. Alright, I'm not actually going to do like an actual unboxing of this. I'm just going to open it up and take the camera out. I already have like 2 of these things, so if you don't have Davinci Resolve Studio and you want a licensed key, just leave a comment below. Make sure you're subscribed, and I will pick somebody from underneath maybe in about a couple weeks, and I'll send you one of these. I'll just message you and you can have it. So I am going to shoot some 6K RAW footage, so some slow motion, and this will actually be at the end of the clip. So yeah, make sure you are subscribed, because I'll probably be making more videos and comparisons with this camera and just sharing it with you guys. So again, anything you guys want to see from this camera, just leave it in the comments below, and I'll make sure that I make those videos for you. So anyways, here's that footage. Make sure you guys are subscribed, like the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.